Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet short button accessories. In any color you can make these short buttons and you can ornament your simple shirts, dear friends. For example, look, this is a short button. Yes, it is very beautiful. And another one, light blue color. I really loved these short buttons, dear friends. You can ornament your cardigan buttons, jacket buttons, shirt buttons with these crochet accessories. Today we are going to learn how to make these bow button accessories. The pattern is really easy, dear friends. If you are a beginner, no problem. If you follow my video tutorial carefully till the end, you will make these short buttons very easy. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. We are starting crocheting. I'm using cotton yarn, dear friends. This is 4-season cotton yarn, standard ordinary cotton yarn. You can also use amigurumi cotton yarn. Let me show you like this. And according to the thickness of my yarn, I'm using 3mm hook. Of course, if you use thicker yarn, you are going to use bigger size hook. But 3mm hook size is suitable for my yarn. Okay, we are starting with magic ring. I am doing magic ring like this. Turning the thread. Inserting my hook like this. Pull through, and I am keeping here like this. 4 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and chain 4. 2 times yarn over. I am going to make 3 triple crochet. Inserting my hook through the circle, I am making a triple crochet by pulling the threads 2 by 2 in 3 times. Look, first of all, 2 threads. I am pulling like this, and then the rest 2, and the last 2 like this. I made 1 triple crochet. 2 times yarn over. Again, inserting my hook through the circle. Meanwhile, please be careful. This thread, this yarn end will be always around this ring. I made 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the circle, and 2 by 2 I'm making pull through. It is 2 triple crochet. 2 times yarn over again, inserting my hook through the ring, and 2 by 2 in 3 times I'm making pull through like this. I'm making a triple crochet. 1 time pull through, 2nd time pull through, 3rd time pull through. Okay, I made 4 chains when starting, and then I made 3 triple crochet. Now I am making 4 chains when finishing this side of bow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, again inserting my hook through the ring, yarn over, pull through. I am making a slip stitch like this. Okay, one side of the bow is finished like this. We made this part. Now we are going to make this part. For this reason, I'm making 8 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over. Look, this is chain 8. This is chain 7. This is chain 6. I am inserting my hook through the chain 6. Inserting my hook, and I am making a double crochet. like this. Now I'm making yarn over, going through the following stitch. Be careful, I'm not taking only the upper thread like this. I'm not doing like this. I am taking the bottom thread like this. When you do this, you are taking 2 threads over the hook. Look, do you see? Like this. When you do this, the stitches will be stronger. I am making a half double crochet. Yarn over, I am going through the following stitch again, inserting my hook. You see, look, there are 2 threads over the hook, like this, as you see. Yarn over, pull through a half double crochet. When you do this, there are no holes on the stitches. Now I am going through the following stitch again. This time I am making only single crochet. Look, dear friends, there are 2 threads over the hook. I am making 1 single crochet. I am going through the following stitch, making another single crochet. I am going through the following stitch and making the 3rd single crochet. 3 single crochet, one by one we are doing. Okay, like this. Now we are going to make the second part of this. For this reason, 8 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over, chain 8, chain 7, chain 6, inserting my hook through the chain 6 by taking 2 threads over the hook as I showed you. Now I am making a double crochet. Yarn over, I am going through the following stitch, 1 half double crochet this time, going through the following stitch, 2nd half double crochet. Okay, now 3 single crochet. This is single crochet 1, this is single crochet 2, and this is single crochet 3. Okay, now I am inserting my hook through this ring again and making a slip stitch. Okay, these are finished. Now we are going to make the second part of the bow. This is the first part. Now we are going to make second part. 4 chains we are making. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the ring, and I am making a triple crochet. Actually, we are doing the same what we did in the first part. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same ring, and the second triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the circle, and the 3rd triple crochet. Now I am making 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains, inserting my hook through the ring, yarn over, pull through, and making a one moment. Once again I made 4 chains, inserting my hook through the ring, and I am making slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to close this ring. For this reason, I am pulling this thread. Yes, I'm pulling, but when pulling, be careful. The hole should be according to the size of your button. If you are going to use a shirt button, the hole should be small, but if you are going to use this for a cardigan, for a jacket, it can be a bit bigger. I will use this for a shirt button. For this reason, this hole is okay for me. Now I am making 1 chain, and cutting the yarn. Okay, it is finished. Now I am turning through the back. In the back side, first of all, I will pull this to the other side in order to tie well. One moment, because this thread is on this side, and I am taking this to the other side. Like this, I can tie it perfectly. Now I am tying. Okay, once again I will tie. Okay, like this, it's being more secured. Okay, I am tying like this. Okay, cutting some more. Now with the help of the small size hook, I will hide them through the back stitches, back side of the bow. Okay, I can cut it now. Now I am doing the same thing for the other thread. Okay. Yes, I am cutting the rest. Yes, dear friends, it is like this. As you see, it is very cute. Now I will try this on the short button. Yes, dear friends, this is my short button accessorize. Okay. It is very lovely. Yes, it is like this. Yes, dear friends, it is like this. As you see, it looks very cute, very lovely. These are the other colors. Of course, you are free to choose which color you like. I really love this. Yes, dears, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like these beautiful, very cute crochet short button accessories. I really love them. I like ornamenting simple garments with these crochet accessories. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.